Hey folks, welcome to another episode where we dive into the deep, dark world of political faux pas. Today's special? The Eric Trump edition of How Not to Honor Memorial Day. Buckle up, it's going to be a hilariously bumpy ride. So, it's Memorial Day weekend, a time when Americans pay tribute to those who made the ultimate sacrifice for their country. And what does Eric Trump do? He decides to post a tribute not to the heroic service members, but to, wait for it, his own family. Yes, you heard that right. He shared a post featuring a glamorous photo of the Trump family with a caption about how they've given up everything to save America. And just when you think it can't get any more tone-deaf, he adds, "And we will do it again." The self-sacrifice is just palpable, isn't it? The backlash was swift and as subtle as a sledgehammer. Critics from all sides jumped in, slamming the post as insensitive and screamingly out of touch. I mean, come on, talking about your own sacrifices on a day dedicated to fallen soldiers? That's like bringing a kazoo to a symphony. It's not just inappropriate, it's embarrassingly misplaced. One critic pointed out, this family has been dishonoring our military and yet fake patriots still support them. It's sickening. Well, if there was an Olympic event for missing the point, I think we just found our gold medalist. But let's not be too harsh. Maybe Eric was just trying to honor his family's tradition of, controversial tweets. Or perhaps he was competing in a secret competition for world's most ill-timed tweet. If that's the case, congratulations, Eric. You might have just won by a landslide. All jokes aside, this fiasco serves as a stark reminder of the importance of context and respecting the true essence of Memorial Day. It's about honor, sacrifice, and remembrance, not a marketing opportunity for personal aggrandizement. So next time you think about paying tribute on Memorial Day, maybe steer clear of using it as Family Appreciation Day, especially if your last name is Trump. And that, dear viewers, is how not to honor Memorial Day Eric Trump style. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, sometimes the best statement is silence.